Did you know that by turning tomatoes into powder in your own kitchen, you're creating a kind of magic power? It's not just a powder. It's the key to a healthier, more economical, and more creative kitchen. You don't need to anymore. No more paying hefty prices for traditional tomato pastes and sauces full of preservatives. Homemade tomato powder not only instantly turns into the best tomato paste whenever you want, but it also has amazing uses. For example, in my small kitchen, I use this tomato powder to make homemade tomato paste and ketchup sauce. I make healthy, nutritious face masks with it, and I can even add it directly to dishes to boost their flavor. Plus, this amazing powder can stay fresh for a whole year without needing a fridge, so let's be sensible. Why should we buy expensive and fancy supermarket products when we can create a miracle of health right at home? Let me show you how you can easily make this magic powder at home. And if I can manage to do this in my tiny caravan with the least amount of space, you can be sure that you'll be able to do it much more easily and quickly at home. To start, choose local and organic tomatoes. Soak them in a bit of salt water, wash them thoroughly, and let them dry completely. In the next step, carefully slice the tomatoes into rings about 1/2 centimeter thick. Then neatly arrange them on the tray of the food dehydrator. Next, set the machine to a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius and let the tomatoes dry completely for about 9 to 10 hours. Tomatoes turn into lovely, crispy chips. I've mentioned this many times in previous videos, and I'll say it again here. If you still don't have a food dehydrator, it's time to. Consider it as an excellent investment in your health. This device isn't just for tomatoes. The range of things you can do with it is truly incredible. From drying all kinds of fruits and vegetables to making herbal powders for face masks and so on. You can even dry natural flowers for decoration or even for selling online. With this device, you can easily prepare many essential food items much more cheaply and healthily than supermarket versions. For me, having this device is part of a healthy lifestyle. If you're thinking of getting a high-quality and reliable device, I'll put the direct purchase link for you in the video description section. Order with peace of mind and step into the world of health. Once the tomatoes are completely dried, transfer them to the grinder, and we turn them into a fine, beautifully colored powder. It's that simple. You now have your own homemade tomato powder, ready to use. Store it in an airtight container at room temperature. And don't worry at all about it going off. I hope you give this fun method a try and enjoy its real taste and health benefits. Until the next video, goodbye.